Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust year in Google Maps. Want to see what a street or building looked like years ago? Google Maps Street View Time slider lets you go back in time and view past imagery, which is super helpful for comparing changes or exploring history. And to do that, you're just gonna have to follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open Google Maps on desktop. And you can do that by going to your web browser and then type in the search bar maps.google.com. Now after you do that, after you go to Google Maps, Street View Time. You should know that Street View Timeline only works on desktop, so you can't do that on mobile devices. The second step is to drag the pigment to a street, and you can do that by clicking and dragging the yellow pigment bottom right onto a road. For example, this one, I'm just gonna drag it here. And as you can see here, this is the Google Street View. This opens the Street View. The third step is to look for the clock icon. Now if that area has an older imagery, you'll see a clock icon in the top left corner. Let's see the top left corner. Now as you can see here, there is no clock view. Let's look here. Let's see if there's a clock. No. Let's look, for example, let's see Paris. Let's look for the Eiffel Tower, for example. Let's draw the pigment here. Let's see if there's now if that area has older imagery, you'll see a clock icon in the top left corner. You can click it and open the time slider. The fourth step is to slide to choose a year. Drag the slider to switch between available years and click on the image you want to view. As for the fifth and final step is to exit time travel mode. And you can do that by clicking on the X or back button to exit and return to the current map. Adjusting the year in Google Maps is a cool way to explore the past visually, whether you're reminiscing or researching. Street View timeline is an underrated and powerful feature. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.